Whoa! Good morning, good night, good afternoon. Wherever you are in the world. Look at a beautiful day here in sunny Queensland. Let's go, house slab. Good morning. We're back. We're on the job. House slab. Let's go. Alright guys, this is what we got. Another waffle pod. Gotta love the old waffle pods, don't you? Let's see, it's a bit muddy around here. Yeah, look, all still in there. She's dirty. She's a dirty affair. That's it on today. Alright, we're away. Just screw these two bays. Got this bay, so it's 3 across, easy. Pretty big, pretty normal size across when we get it there. It's one little bay right here, right now. Yeah, looking good. The concrete feels good. It's nice and fluffy. Let's go. It's 8 o'clock and we're about halfway, I think. Maybe a little bit more than halfway. Come to see me screed one pan there. Took like 2 minutes. The concrete's pretty good and Nike's good at pulling back, so it only takes about 2 minutes to do a bay, which is good. Let's go. A bit more down. Couple more bays left to go. Monday. Yeah, it's 9:45 and she's in. All in, everywhere. Just doing these pads out here for the patio. That's it. We're going around, the brick rebate's all good as well. Good times. Now we just got to finish it. Hopefully we're out of here. It's only 10. 1 o'clock hopefully. 3 hours from now. Let's see.
Hey Bean brother, we've got some home job here today. Oh yes. With the boys from the Apex crew over in WA. And they say they love the Concrete Ninja. Keep it coming, brother. They love ya.
Alright, it's 10 to 11 and we're finally hitting the slab. Just now. Got on my edges already with the mag and now I just got to start steel trailing. Songs! Yeah. You're in your shorts, mate. How can you wear shorts? Because we live in Queensland, Australia, mate. We can wear what we want. Alright, get in there. We got 12 o'clock and we're still going. We haven't even hit the end bit yet, so we're going to be here for a while today. It's cold weather. 1:45, guys. 1:45 and we're still going. The boys have nearly stripped it. They're halfway stripping, I suppose. They've done on the edges really nice. Look. Looking good, looking good. Can't see no difference. Beautiful. Another day in the mud. Guys, looking good. This is the bay here that I screwed it before. Easy money. Easy money, as Ryan would say. Yeah, buddy. Shout out to all your other concrete channels. I'm watching you all. You be watching me, I'll be watching you. It's good to watch sometimes. I'm just like you guys. I watch concrete videos too. Just with other people. Alright. I'll talk to you when we're nearly finished. Alright, it's nearly 2 o'clock. Boys are just stripping this bit. I'm just doing the edges with Davis. Phil's cleaning the timbers, as he does. Fastest cleaner in the west. Oh, look at that. Just like a brand new one, Phil.
Oh, you should film me. Properly, man.
You did it good, Dad. Yeah, boards, alright. But shit still sticks to it.
Yeah. This is last week's.
Last week's.
before.
Flat, too good. Beautiful. Still going. Beautiful. Nice and flat it was, Dave reckons. I screeded 98% of this one. Hey guys, welcome back. Haven't really talked to you today. Your phone kept cutting out all the time. Alright, we're getting closer. The sun's coming out. Burn this mother. And I was saying, if I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll buy myself a new GoPro and I'll stick it on my head and I'll stick it on my body and you can see more about the job, what we're doing. I used to have one a long time ago. If you look at my videos back, you'll see that I use the GoPro a lot, but haven't used one for a while. But I'll get another one if I get 1,000 likes on this video. Come on, give us 1,000 likes. Come on! We're just standing around waiting. We're waiting. Nearly done. Alright guys, it's 10 past 2. Well, actually 20 past 2. And I'm out of here. Dave's just going to hit this up. The boys have just got a little bit of strip. I've done them on the edges. They're all good. Time for me to Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that episode. It is Monday and it is getting colder. So the days are going to be longer for us. So the boys will probably be out of here by at least by 3 o'clock, I hope. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. A little bit of screeding, a little bit of choppering. And like I said, if I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll get a GoPro and you'll see a lot more. So hopefully I'll get 1,000 likes. I'll go buy one today. Alright, bye. Have fun. Subscribe, leave a comment. Thumbs up.